We know exactly why you're here. Okay, let's get into the look. I know why you clicked. Let's do it. So I kind of think that I want to go with like a metallic type of feel to a look. I want to go drama. I want to go dramatic. Like, yeah. I know that Ariel had red brows to match her hair. So that's the first thing that's gonna happen. Yeah. That's the first thing that's gonna have to happen. I'm gonna use a lip pencil. And we're gonna go eyeshadow on top of the lip pencil. We wanna do a different shape than we normally do. Well, I'm going to today. I'm gonna try to. Let's see what's goody. I think I'm gonna go with a more like straight shape. Let me see. Looks a little crazy right now, honey. Colors for Dayz. You already know the best reds on the planet. We're gonna go in with both of these. Little eyelash glue through the brow. I kind of want that like brow hair effect in the front here, so I'm gonna take this little brown pencil and I'm gonna just do some like I normally do. Take the spoolie, go back in, and that already looks better to me. It was looking a little cray to me, like not blended. I don't know, I just didn't like it. Obviously when I put my nose contour into my brows, it's just gonna look perfect, but for now I like the shape at least. Okay, let's get into these eyes. All over the lid, make sure it's nice and blended. This is my Morphe 173 brush. It's perfect for blending. I'm about to go get my nails done right after this, y'all. I'm like about to walk up in the nail salon as Ariel. We got colors for Dayz. I want to use like purples, greens, and blues. Like that's kind of, you know, the effect I'm going for. But I don't know. Let's do like purple. I mean, let's do green into blue into purple. Bring it out, then bring it back into like a winged type of thing going. And then I think I want to put foiled shadow on the lid. That's what I'm envisioning it now. Because at first I was like, ooh, I don't know what to do, but I just envisioned it as I was talking. So love that. We're gonna go in with this deepest green first, mixed with a little bit of Sickening, which is the second lightest green in my palette. And we're gonna start. We're gonna start right here. We're gonna start nice and cute, cool, collected, nothing too crazy. Then I'm gonna pack on blue right next to that. And we're going for True Blue and Deep Sea mixed. Get this shade blue. Purple, we're gonna go with The Throne. This beautiful shade of purple. It's like perfect for this look. And we'll do cleanup later. Now with my wing area here, you see how this is starting to like look like a check mark thing going. with that, we're just gonna fill in this little area right here, and it starts looking way more curved. You see? You see how that literally is just perfect now? Do not get discouraged when you feel like you've made a mistake, y'all. I guarantee you always will have an eraser, a way to go back, a way to, you know, not have to start over, you know? Don't get discouraged so quickly. I used to get so mad so quick if something wasn't going my way with my makeup. And then I realized, like, girl, just go back. Like, just take a step back. Like, it's always some way to fix it, promise. Let's blend these in between shades now. So I'm taking the deepest blue in my palette, which is called Deep Sea. Perfect for this look. And I'm packing these two between the purple and the blue. Going back in between both brushes with the purple on it, with the blue on it. Taking that deepest shade of green right on top of this blue, and it gives this perfect like sea foamy color, turquoise color. It's literally so pretty. I love color theory, like, I'm not gonna cap. I love color theory so much. It's literally turned into the perfect seafoam green. Okay, loving this so far. Now I'm gonna take my blending brushes, which are these tapered type of brushes. This is the Morphe 506. And I'm going between my two lightest greens now, Pea Soup and Sickening, to get this shade right here. We're gonna blend this green up and out. It takes time to build it, but you know, we got a little bit of time, honey. And I'm kind of just pressing this onto the skin first to build it, and then going in those circular motions. Purple, I'm blending my lighter purple from my palette on top of this purple. But I don't want to take it too high up because I don't want to really lose the shape that I have. Take a clean brush and just kind of blend some of this out some. I don't want to get rid of my shape. Like, that's very important to me right now. So I'm not going to get rid of my shape. And take some of Cinderella mixed with my True Blue and Icy. All three blues. And I got this. Blend her on top. Blend her right up on top, honey. And get this seafoamy shade right here. We're gonna go right in between the two. I'm gonna kind of put a little bit of base back onto my lid here. We're gonna use the Michaela palette, collab with Glam Light, and we're gonna use, let's see what this one looks like. Oh, that's pretty, but we're not gonna use her today. I think we're gonna go in with this, like, oh, maybe not that one either. I don't know. We're gonna play around with these, but we're gonna start with this green one for sure. That's like literally perfect. That's exactly what I imagined. We're gonna just place these with our finger first, go back in and blend with a brush. For now, that is gorgeous. Audrey is literally bomb as heck. What? Now we're gonna go into the purple, which I'm excited for. We're gonna go into Portage and then a little bit of Immaculate. That's so pretty. Wow, stunning. Just absolutely stunning. We're gonna go in between these shades and blend them really good and stuff. So let's do the first greens we got going. I'm gonna blend these up into this deeper green. Let's clean this on up with this baby wipe we've got from earlier. gonna put the pearls on, so this is the fun part.
To stick these on, I used some everything glue. I drew my little dots, and then I used the back of a brush with some of that glue on it and just stuck them on like that. Because they're heavy, I couldn't use my glitter grabber like I do for my rhinestones or glitter. So yeah.
We're gonna do the new 3D Silk Lash Book. I'm mixing Girley with Poppin down here, and it gives like the perfect look. I just place one on top of the other, and it's so pretty, y'all. I love it. Everything glue. Putting on my everything glue, and of course my lash glue as well is going on my lash line. Okay, y'all know the vibes. Y'all know what's up. Go to my shorts if you want to see a little tutorial on how to do that, honey. Okay, so we're going in with some stockings. I want scales. Like, give me scales now. You know what I'm saying? So, okay. So with this, I kind of want to do like a pattern like this. But, okay, this is what we doing.
I'm so sorry, guys. I had to insert the TikTok clips because my phone actually ran out of storage. Crazy, right? Sick. But I did like do this part for TikTok, so I was like, hey, I can just show this. And yeah, it really worked out really good. As you can see, I'm literally just pressing in the shadow with a big brush. And after I'm done putting whatever colors I want, I just peel it back. And that's how I created the gills. So it's way easier than I thought. I should try it. And then I literally soaked myself in my loose highlighter, my Miami Beach loose highlighter. I loved the outcome. The highlighter gave such a wet effect, like watery effect. I loved it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.